Hi, this is Kannababu. This is part 30 of Travel Biz project. Is it clear? So in the last video we have discussing about whenever customer will click on book ticket, it has to store all the values in one array. Individual customer details will store it. So that is my requirement. Here you say. So here if you observe clearly, when customer clicks on book ticket, now here the loop is rotating. The first customer details I have stored in this array, and this loop will rotate some 5 times. Let us assume here you see A is incrementing and the value is what? Up to here at the index of 3 we have stored the values, and here 4. And here if you observe clearly, and the next value is what? Here you are getting an error. Why you are getting an error means the range of the array is exceeded, because all the 5 values are completed. So what I want to do here is, if I will try to write some code here, something like if, so here if A double equals to 5, here I want to write the if condition. If A double equals to 5, I want to destroy the array. So how to destroy the array in an object? By assigning null value to the reference variable. And then again I will initialize A with 0. And then again I will try to create cust is equals to new one more string array I will try to what? Create. With size I will declare 5. Else I want to write this code. Why I have written this one I will try to explain. Here you see now debug check the output. So here I will try to build the solution. Build means compile. So here customer will select 2 seats, and once when I click on what? The button, here I will try to give the details like 101 Anil male, some phone number is 102 Sunil male, some phone number is. Now click on this book ticket. Now here you see F11 F11 F11. Now initially A is what? 0. So here the condition is false. So storing the values, second value, second text box value, third text box, fourth text box. Here you see 101 Anil male 7777 null. Yes. Now here the third text box value is also storing. Very good. Now again the loop is rotating. Now A is how much? 5. When A is 5, what will happen? The array will become what? Null. Again A is how much? 0. And again one new array is created. And here again the loop is rotating. Now again what is happening? Here 102 is there. And here if you observe clearly, this is what? 102 Sunil. Similarly all the values are stored. The second customer details are stored in another array. Hope you understood. Now I want to store all these details in the table. Here we already have one table in our database, that is booking table. I want to store the customer ID, customer name, gender, phone number, all these things. So let us see here. I'll try to declare the namespace because I want to connect to SQL Server database. So I'll try to declare the namespace something like this, using system system.data, and here I will declare using system.data.sql client, and here I will declare using system.configuration. Here I am not mentioning the connection string globally. You do that one as I already mentioned in the previous videos. And here I want to create the connection. So how to create the connection? SQL connection con is equals to new SQL connection of, here I will mention the connection string statically. User ID is equals to SA, password is equals to ABC, and here I will try to mention the database. Database name I will try to give as my database name is Travel Biz project, and here I will try to give the data space source. Data space source is equals to server name, that is my Kanna. And here I want to open the connection to the database, con.open of, and then I want to pass the query, SQL command. So here, whenever each and every time I want to insert all the details. So within this, outside this. So here I will write if A is equals to 5, within that what I will do, I will write pass the query. SQL command CMD is equals to new SQL command of, here I will try to pass the query, comma con, then execute the query, cm.execute non-query, then close the connection, con.close off. Now here I will try to write the query, string query is equals to, I want to write the insert query, insert into table name. What is my table name? Booking. Insert into table name. Here I will try to write what? Values of. First of all I want to insert which value? CID. Where is my CID? That is in this array, that is nothing but single quotes, double quotes, plus here I will try to write cust of 0. Cust of 0, this array 0 consists of CID, comma, single quote, double quote, plus I want to insert CNAME. Where is my CNAME? Cust of 1. And I want to insert what? Gender. Where is my gender? Again I will mention single quote, double quote, plus here I will write cust of 2. And then I want to insert phone number, comma, again I will write single quote, double quote, plus here I will try to mention cust of 3. Again I will try to insert what? Age. Again single quote, double quote, plus here I will try to write what? Cust of 4. Is it clear? And then I have to insert the seat number. So here what I will do, I will declare one variable string, or I will declare one array, something like this. And the name of the array I will try to write as seat numbers is equals to new seat numbers of. I will mention the size of the array. First of all, I will try to catch the values. Label 2.text. Label 2.text consists of my seat number. I will try to store that value. String s is equals to label 2.text. And I will try to split the value. S dot split off where I want to split, comma, where comma is there. And I will try to declare this array on the top. And here I will try to store the result in where seat numbers. Seat numbers is equals to. The return type of that split method is string array. Is it clear? So here you see, now I want to create, already I created one string array. Here you see, I will try to keep this one comment. And once let us execute so that you will understand. Debug. Here you see, I will just declare the array. Now debug and check the output here. Some error is there, argument missing. Where? I will make this one as comment. This one also I will make comment. And debug and once check the output. So what I am looking is that I will catch the seat numbers and store all the seat numbers in one array. Some string array. So here you see, I will try to select both the seat numbers. Click here, click on book ticket. Later we will insert the values. Now here you see, what is the text? 1, 2. So here you see, seat number 1 and 2 are stored in index number 0 as well as index number 1. I want to insert that values for individual customers. Is it clear? So here for that what I want to do, I will rotate the loop here. Within this for each loop, within this a is equals to 5, here I will try to rotate the loop. For int I is equals to 0, I less than, here I will write something like, what is the name of the array? Seat numbers. I less than seat numbers dot length. Seat numbers dot length. Is it clear? So it will get the length of the seat numbers. Within this I will try to write the code. And here what I want to do, I want to insert the value. Which value I want to insert? Comma. Now I want to insert the seat numbers. Single quote, double quote, plus. Here I will write seat numbers of I. Is it clear? Seat numbers of I, comma. And then I will try to insert what? From place. So where is my from place? From place is in label 4.text. So here comma, single quote, double quote, plus. Here I will try to write label 4.text, comma. Then I want to insert what? To place fair SV number. Where is my to place? Let us see here. To place is label 5.text. So comma, single quote, double quote, plus. Here I will write something like label 5.text, comma. Next what I want to insert? Fair SV number, T name. Fair, where is my fair? Fair is available in label 11.text. So again single quote, double quote, plus. So here I will write something like label 11.text. That is what? Fair, comma. Then I want to insert what? SV number, T name, departure time. SV number, where is my SV number? Label 3.text. So again comma, single quote, double quote, plus. Here I will try to write what? Label 3 dot what? Text, comma. And then I want to insert what? T name, travel agency name. Travel agency name is label 7.text. So I will try to write label 7.text, single quote, double quote, plus. Here I will try to mention label 7.text, comma. Next I want to insert what? Departure time, arrival time. Where is my departure time? Departure time label 8, arrival time label 9. So here I will write something like comma single quote, double quote plus, here I will mention label 8 dot text, comma single quote, double quote plus label 9 dot text. Let us see here anyway. I will just debug and check the output. Now customer will click on book ticket. Now let us see here F11. Here you see the seat numbers are 1 and 2. Now here create the connection, open the connection. Here you see I will go to the for each loop, and the length of the string here you see it will rotate. Okay, good. Now I think A is how much? 5. Okay. Now it will enter into if, and here you see the length is how much? 3. Okay, good. Now check the query here. Insert into booking values of 101 Anil male 9999 20 is the age. Seat number 1 Hyderabad Vizag, fare is 1200, service number SV_1, travel agency name SVR, departure time 6 p.m, arrival time 5 a.m. I think all the values came. Yes or no? Now anyway you will get the first customer details are what? Stored. So here actually I will do a small modification. I don't want to write this for loop. I will try to remove this for loop, and I want to store what here? Here I want to store the seat number. That is the seat number. I have given the index number is what? Seat numbers of 0. Somewhere I have given, right? So here what I will do, I will declare one variable here. Something like this. I will declare one variable as int I. Initial I is 0. So initially it will insert I, and here I will try to increment the I value, I++. Second time the I will become what? 1. So it will insert the second customer details. Let us see here anyway. I will cut this code, con.open, I will open inside the if. And here if you observe clearly, here I will try to close the connection. Okay, good. Now here I will try to pass the query, comma con. Now execute the query, debug, and once let us check the output. So this is my table. Now let us say customer will select the 2 seats, and here I will try to give the values 101. Here I will give Anil. Here I will give male. Phone number is 102. Here I will give Sunil. Here I will give male. Phone number is. Now click on book the ticket. Now let us see here how it is working. F11. Now the seat numbers are 1 and 2. Okay, good. Now create the connection. Next the loop will rotate, and it will store the first customer details in the array. First customer details it is stored in the array. Now check your query. Insert into booking values 101. Okay, seat number is 1 here. If you observe clearly, this is your seat number. 1 came. Now here execute the query. Okay, it was inserted, I think. Let us go and check here. First customer details are inserted successfully. Seat number is 1. Yes. Next again increment the I value. I think now I is what? 1. Now again the loop will rotate. Now here the second customer details, that is 102. And again the loop will rotate. The else part will rotate how many times? 5 times. And I think it has to insert both the customer details. But some problem came. Anyway, let us rectify. So I will rectify this problem in the next video. For more videos you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook group. Thank you. Have a nice day.